this is Amrita and trust me, this is my homemade butter. In the next 1 minute, I'm gonna show you how you can make instant homemade healthy butter. So let's get started and make your own butter at home. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon for regular updates. So first of all, here I've taken about 1 cup of cream or malai. So just boil the full fat milk and scrape the cream from the top. I have collected it for the last 3 days. I kept it in the container in the freezer. Now this cream goes into the mixer grinder. Next I'm adding about 1 glass of chilled water. Now we will churn it for the next 1 minute. So after 1 minute you can see your butter is separated from the water. Now we have to churn it for 30 seconds only and then we will wait. Then again we will churn it. So we have to repeat the procedure for 2 to 3 times, but don't do in one go, like don't churn it for the entire 1 minute. So now I'm discarding the water and don't throw it away. This is buttermilk, or you can even make paneer out of this. So here is our butter. Butter is absolutely ready in 1 minute, but we are going to store it and we are going to shape it. So that is why I'm keeping it in an airtight container and patting it, just evening it out. Now I'll keep it in refrigerator for the next 3 to 4 hours so that it will be all set. Now it's been overnight and let's check it out. Voila, your butter is all set and ready. And next I'll cut it and show it to you so that you can see how beautiful it has turned out and see the texture. Lovely, healthy and easy to make. If you have liked this recipe, please give it a go at your kitchen and yeah, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. See you again. Bye bye.